Everybody loves almonds. From the foil-packed bags we munch on airplanes to the bowl of nuts we dip into while watching a football game on TV, almonds have been a favorite snack and cooking ingredient for centuries. Originating in ancient China and Central Asia, explorers brought almond trees across the Silk Road to the Mediterranean. By the 1700s, Franciscan padres had brought almond trees to California. California is now the only place in North America where almonds are grown commercially. And the largest producer of almonds today is the Blue Diamond Growers Cooperative, based in the capital city of Sacramento. Blue Diamond was founded in 1910 as a cooperative of about 230 almond growers, who raised a few thousand tons of almonds each year. Blue Diamond has grown to more than 4,000 growers, and the co-op is now the largest tree nut processing and marketing company in the world. The company produces nearly 750 million tons of almonds each year, helping to make almonds California's largest food export and the 6th largest food export produced by the United States. In the peak season each fall, Blue Diamond processes more than 1 million pounds of almonds a day. Blue Diamond almonds are marketed to all 50 states and more than 90 foreign countries. That's a lot of nuts. And as you can imagine, it's a massive job to take an entire year's harvest and process it in a timely fashion. The only way that Blue Diamond has been able to handle this tremendous growth has been for the company to become a model of factory automation technology. For 10 years now, this giant cooperative has been installing factory automation systems based on Wonderware's factory suite. In fact, Blue Diamond was one of the earliest customers for the InTouch human-machine interface package, installing their first system in 1991.
Our first project was our MPL system, where we originally had an operator that had to climb up and down 5 flights of stairs in order to check bin levels and turn sorting machines on and off. Our first project was to use Wonderware and PLC to monitor bin levels of the product on those floors and display it to operator, and then we had a graphic display on each floor using Wonderware product to display the bin levels to the operators in that area.
Nobody runs those stairs anymore. Almond processing has been designed to flow from the top of the 5-story plant to the bottom, from incoming silos to outgoing cans. The almonds are graded into 16 different and distinct sizes. Electronic sorting machines use modern laser techniques to identify chipped or broken nuts that fly by the sensors at high speed. The broken nuts are diverted from the high-speed flow with a small blast of air. Ultrasonic sensors monitor the level of nuts in each bin, then feed that data to InTouch screens on each floor. This gives operators instant visibility into the nut levels in each of the gravity-fed bins so that no bottlenecks are created that back up the system. The electronically sorted almonds are sent down to the 3rd floor, where skilled sorters manually view and sort every nut so that only the best continue through processing. Operators work at 16 different tables, watching almonds pass by on automated conveyor belts that are fed from the bulk bins. They pick out broken nuts and remove any that have other problems. They also take periodic samples for closer examination by quality control inspectors. The quality control inspectors check nut quality, size, consistency, volume of nuts by weight, and other characteristics. They enter all this manual inspection data into the Blue Diamond Statistical Process Control System, and it's stored in the Wonderware Industrial SQL Server database. The database also collects data automatically from 1,800 data points and from every programmable logic controller, or PLC, on the plant's 70 production lines. Because all data is stored on one central set of servers, any information from any part of the production process is available to any of the operators or QC inspectors. Inspectors can instantly call up quality control charts to be sure production is within control limits. Operators can right-click on any data point of interest and bring up a control chart or histogram. This allows them to compare inspection data with the historical records and to spot patterns in almond quality. They have the ability to view charts from their own production area or from any other production line.
We currently have the SPC system installed on 65 of our production lines. We're collecting process information from both the quality inspectors and the operators on the line in order to determine if the process is within statistical control. We installed Industrial SQL Server last year in order to try and minimize the amount of manual data collection we were doing. We installed the Industrial SQL Server to collect information automatically from our PLCs that we currently have installed in our production areas. We are currently collecting data from approximately 1,800 data points in the plant, making that information available to not only the operators and QC inspectors on the plant, but also we have interfaces so that salespeople and other areas of the plant can also view data that's being collected by Industrial SQL Server.
When the bulk almonds have passed manual inspection, they're fed to the ground floor of the plant for packaging, or they're transported to the blanching line or the cook plant. The blanching process first bathes the nuts in a scalding solution to loosen and remove the brown skins. The nuts are then conveyed through 2 sets of drying ovens to remove the moisture from them. They go through another set of electronic sorters. They pass through a manual sorting area. Then they're processed for slicing, dicing, chopping, or packaging whole, for use in everything from baked goods to candy bars, soaps, candles, or hand cream. At the same time, the cook plant is creating the salted and flavored almonds that make the snack foods we all enjoy. It all comes together at the packaging line. Here, different configurations of packaging machines put the finished almonds in foil vending packs and custom packages for airlines. Plastic bags of sliced or diced almonds for use in cooking and baking. Large cans of snack almonds for bulk commercial users. Everywhere they go, the almonds are tracked by InTouch.
We've been real happy with our Wonderware, not only the InTouch product, but also the Industrial SQL Server product. We've been so happy with these products that we recently entered our SPC application, which is using Industrial SQL Server, into the Wonderware Open Contest. We're announced winners in the Industrial SQL Server category.
If you ask the folks at Blue Diamond, they'll tell you that eating a handful of almonds 5 times a week can help reduce coronary heart disease and add years to one's life. So the next time you pop the top on a can of Blue Diamond almonds, you'll be getting one of nature's original health foods. And a little bit of Wonderware in every bite.